Hello, I'm Keith.
I'm Kaye.
My Little Philipina. Well, today we're packing some boxes we're going to send to Philippines for the family. And we're shipping it Atlas shippers. They're very cheap. Not like the ones we did at first to the U.S. Mail system here in California. It is very expensive. But we're shipping boxes, Atlas boxes like this, to Philippines. And each box costs how much, Kaye?
$76.
$76. There, $76. We got another box here, shipping Atlas. And when you ship Atlas, you get to ship. It's $76. This is a large box. Plus, you get a free box. You get sent for free, right here.
Junior.
A junior box. You can fill it sent for free with each purchase of a large box. So that's what we're doing. We already got stuff packed. We're just finishing up our packing, and this is the address. Atlas Worldwide Tours, and they're based in Philippines, and we're just getting our last minute touches to mail it off. And they say they're gonna come when?
Monday.
And then what?
Then they're going to ship into the Philippines.
Ship to the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
And it's door to door. It goes from here straight to the door in Philippines, opposed to going through customs and all that stuff, and the family that is going to have to pay customs a lot of money to get them out. First of all, it costs us about $500 to mail off one package like this. $500. This one package costs $76. Same size, $76. Plus, you get a free box. You can go with it. Mail with it. It's free. And it goes from door to door, from my door here to their door in Philippines. It takes a little longer to go there because it goes by ship. That's okay. So if you want to get something by Christmas, the best time to mail it off is now or at the end of October. It takes about 35 days to reach its destination. But it goes from this door here to their door there, and that's why I like it. Ain't no middle person in between, like customs, and you get sometimes it'll leave here, go to Philippines. It takes about 2 weeks air flight, but it got to go through customs. They got to do their thing. They charge for that. Then it goes to Philippines, and you got to go there and pick it up. They charge for that. They charge to go to customs, and that's not the way we want it. I said I'll never ship that way again until I found out about this way, to a friend who's from Philippines. So we're going to finish packing. Finish packing, and we're gonna get our stuff off, and I'll let you know how our boxes look. Let you see how they look. But believe me, this is I believe the cheapest way to send it, and plus it goes from door to door, from our door to their door in Philippines. It takes a little longer because it's a shipment. It goes overseas by ship. So that's a good thing for me. It's called Atlas Tours, right? Atlas, what is it? Atlas World Travel and Tours. So anyway, you ready to get started, babes?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
All right, let's get started and finish packing these boxes here.
Messed it up.
Okay, he's packing a camera and they were sending it to them. And didn't let the box dry. Got ink all over her hand. You got ink all over your hand now?
Give me the pen.
What do you want? You gonna write it again?
Yeah, because look what you did.
I did. You the one got the box. Let me see your finger. Let me see your hands. The other one. No, the other hand. See there? Look at that ink all over your hands. So. And what do you put?
Their name.
Arvin and Kyla and Nicole?
Yeah.
All right.
So that's good. This one is good.
Let's continue to pack. Well, we got one box, small box, packed and ready to go. All taped up real good for its trip to Philippines. We got it all labeled and addressed all over the box for its journey. Now we're gonna load this other small box. As I told you before, each small box
free.
goes free, right? Free with a large box like this. And each box, large box, is just what, $72, something like that.
76.
How much?
76.
Oh, that's $76. That's cheap. From door to door, right? Okay, baby, let's get the packing. Well, we got 2 boxes done, 2 small boxes going to Philippines. 1 box with each one of these boxes is free. Small box with this one and a small box with that one. And all these 4 boxes cost a total of $152 going to Philippines. Is that right, Kaye? Okay, so now we're going to finish up packing these big boxes and we're done. They're going to pick them up Monday. They're going to call us before they come, and they'll let us know exactly what time they're coming Monday, so make sure we're here for them to pick it up. And there's no weight limit. I called headquarters in Philippines. They said each box should weigh no more than 150 pounds. Well, we made the limit. It's pretty heavy though. They don't pay by weight. It's no weight restriction on it or anything like that. So that's good. I don't mind sending things now. Before I was going to give up because of the U.S. mail. Remember? Can't weigh this much, it can't weigh that much. But anyway, we're on time. So, and by the way, it's her birthday today. Say happy birthday to my mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
And we're going to continue. Well, we finally got through packing, right, Kaye? We did it. It was a tough job because we packed some stuff and we forgot and had to go back in there, open the box up and put it back in there. And I asked her to make sure we got everything, and we forgot to put this in, forgot to put that in. And we had to reopen it again and pack everything back again. Each box should be weighed about 100 pounds each. And, you know, there's actually no limit, they say, but on the phone, when I called the headquarters, they said it was more than 150 pounds. That's a lot of weight. But this is 1 box. The box.
They said 150?
Huh?
They said 150.
150. The box, small box on top goes free with this one here, which is $72. And the box over here, same thing. Small box on top goes free with this big box for $72. So anyway, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good price. And like I said, if you ever ship anything to Philippines, go Atlas Shippers, door to door cargo to the Philippines. It tell you right on the box, it's door to door cargo to the Philippines. This is the cheapest way I ever saw ship anything on. But like I said, it takes at least 30 days or 40 days?
30 to 40 days.
30 to 40 days because it goes by ship. They don't fly it over there. But that's okay. And if you're going to ship anything out during the Christmas holidays or New Year's holidays, make sure that you ship at least 35 days prior to the destination date that you prefer. So anyway, me and Kaye, we're going to close out this video.
We're freaking tired.
We are tired. And just to say, we had a great time doing this. It's her mother's birthday today, Mary Joy Garcia. It's her birthday today. So they're probably in the Philippines now. What time is it in the Philippines now anyway? It's about 6 o'clock here. So in Philippines, I think it's about 9 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
And it's 6 p.m. here. But anyway, we're sending it to them till they have it by Christmas or New Year's, or by Christmas or the Thanksgiving holiday. But anyway, you guys have a great time. And if you like this video, please subscribe below. And I appreciate everything. I appreciate everyone that does watch our little simple videos. We're gonna do many more, but we're just getting all this thing together, this vlog thing together. But anyway, have a great evening and God bless you all. See you on the next Keith.
And Kaye.
My little Philipina.